Warm good morning to one and all. I am here to share the experience about the course on AI offered by Foursteps Solutions. I would like, in my experience, is that it's a very good structured course, and at the same time they are offering it at a very low price, and it covers all the basics of Google Colab, Python, as well as machine learning, and a lot of case studies are also been included in this course. So it's a very well structured course, and the pricing is also very apt. And more than that, the standout feature I would like to say is that the support they have providing the support in terms of online. They are providing good online support, and at the same time it is complemented by some very good materials and some additional supporting materials. So it's been a good learning experience, and I wish all the best for all the members of the Fourstep Solutions. And I'm sure this course will be a very good course to kickstart your career in AI. Thank you.